going on, Sacred Family? Today we'll be going over the seamless rotating background spin effect inside After Effects. If you guys new to this channel, don't forget the subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day this month. You don't want to miss out. Hit the notification bell by the subscribe button. You want to see every single effect, I promise y'all. Hit that like button if you guys support my channel. If you want to see me do good, I want to see you guys do good. That's why I'm dropping all this free knowledge. If you want to see me do good, hit that like button right now, guys. Come on, please, it's free. With that being said, let's hop straight into the video. First thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and duplicate that clip. Control D. Now we're going to want to rotoscope the subject out from the background. If you guys don't know how to rotoscope, I'll link down below a video on how to rotoscope. Make sure you check it out. Rotoscoping is key. I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. As you guys can see, After Effects does a pretty good job rotoscoping by itself. After you rotoscope every single frame, go ahead and press freeze, let it do its thing. Once that's done, you go ahead and close out the layer. Let's just rename our clip so we know what we're working with. So we do BG for background. We'll change this to roto. First thing what you guys want to do is you want to go ahead, open up transform, keyframe the rotation. And then it really depends how long your clip is. My clip is about 3 seconds, so I'm going to make this rotate 3 times. So I'll make it rotate about 3 times. When I play it back, it looks like this. Straight doo-doo, don't worry. We're gonna fix that right now. Make sure you guys tick on that motion blur. Next, we're gonna throw on CC Reptile. Go ahead, throw that in the background. That's gonna allow us to expand the borders. Then we're gonna put 1000 for all of these. After you put 1000 for everything, you go ahead and change the tile into unfold. As you guys can see, there's still a little bit of black in the border, so let's bring that up to 1100. Now when we play it back, it's completely gone. Fire. As you guys can see, the rotation is not that smooth, so we're gonna go ahead and press U on our keyboard on the background to bring up the rotation keyframes. Go ahead and highlight them, press F9 to easy ease. What that's pretty much gonna do is gonna make the rotation more smooth. But since we're a high level at this channel, we're gonna go ahead and highlight those keyframes. We're gonna go to the graph editor. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this in towards the middle, bring this one towards the middle as well. Pretty much this is velocity over time, guys. As you guys can see, the spin is gonna start off slow, and then the middle is gonna speed up crazy. And it's gonna slow back down towards the end. Super smooth. And we play it back. Woo! We're not done yet. Now for us to solve a little bit more, we're gonna go ahead and throw on optic compensation. Make sure you guys check reverse lens distortion. Go ahead and keyframe the field of view at the beginning. Go about halfway. Then we're gonna bring that up to about 140. I'm gonna go towards the end. That back down to 0. I'm gonna play it back. Oh yeah. I'm gonna press U on your keyboard again. See our keyframes. Go ahead and highlight. F9 and easy ease. Make it smooth again. Go ahead and back in the graph editor. Let's make that a little bit faster in the beginning. We'll make it faster at the end too. Let's go ahead and bring that in. Now when we play it back. Wow. Fire. Let's go ahead and add an adjustment layer. So I'm gonna go to my workflow. As you guys can see, it automatically added it for me. If you don't have workflow, go into your panel. Right click, go up to new, adjustment layer. Real quick guys, workflow is a script that you can install inside After Effects. If I press here on text, a text will be created. If I press here, a solid will be created. If I press here, it'll create a light. This is a shape. Press here, a node opens up. This creates a camera, adjustment layer. All that being said guys, this is probably one of the best scripts to have inside of After Effects. It really speed up your workflow. If you guys want this After Effects script, I'm gonna link down below. Workflow, you can get off Brian Delamia's website. With that being said, let's hop back into the video. Now that we have that adjustment layer created, we're gonna go ahead and search up transform. Throw it on top. On the keyframe to scale, we're gonna go about halfway. Scale that up. Go to the end. We're gonna scale that back to 100. Then to make it smooth, we're gonna highlight. Press F9 to easy ease. I'm gonna play it back. That'll sound like this. Fire. If you guys want to make it a little bit more flashy, let's go ahead and search up exposure. Throw that on the adjustment layer. We're gonna keyframe. Let's skip about 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the exposure to 1.5. I'm gonna skip 5 keyframes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the exposure to negative 1.5. Then skip 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring that exposure back down to 0. Then we're gonna press U to bring up those keyframes. Keyframes that we just did for exposure. Control C, copy them. Skip over a frame. Paste. Go to end. Skip over a frame. Paste. Go to end. Skip over a frame. Paste. Now when we play it back, we have that flicker effect with it too, which is insanely fire. And that is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe button down below. I'm dropping tutorials every single day this month. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a notification. Come on, hit it. Hit that like button too if you haven't hit it yet. Support my channel, guys. I support y'all. If you need anything, just hit me up. Y'all know I'm here. That being said, I'll catch you on the next tutorial. Peace.